didn't happen all at once. We watched it happen slowly and still couldn't stop it. We still woke up every morning, still share the same tired space. But something underneath the surface was quietly breaking day by day. You still touch me out of habit, still whispered softly before sleep. But every little moment between us felt weaker underneath. No loud ending, no final war, just distance growing more and more, like two hearts losing gravity while pretending not to see. We were falling apart in slow motion, drowning slowly in our emotions. Every silence pulled us farther, every night became much harder. We kept trying to hold the pieces while love faded little by little. And the hardest thing to know, we were falling apart in slow motion. Slow motion, I felt it falling apart, still stayed in it. We stopped laughing without effort, stopped dreaming side by side. Now every room feels unfamiliar, even when you're by my side. I kept searching for the old us inside your tired, distant eyes. But every time I tried to save us, I watched another piece of us die. And maybe deep inside we knew there was nothing left to hold on to, but fear of ending kept us near, even while disappearing here. We were falling apart in slow motion, drowning slowly in our emotions. Every silence pulled us farther, every night became much harder. We kept trying to hold the pieces while love faded little by little. And the hardest thing to know, we were falling apart in slow motion. How can something once so strong break this slowly all alone? How can two hearts fight to stay while watching love decay? Still feeling falling apart in my chest. No loud goodbye, no final scene, just two souls fading quietly. And the cruelest thing I've learned is sometimes love doesn't collapse suddenly. Sometimes you watch it break in slow motion. In slow motion. In slow motion. Maybe the saddest thing about love is how long people stay, even while breaking inside. stop loving me softly, long before I let myself see. But I kept holding on to moments that no longer belong to me. Your touch felt colder every evening, your eyes harder to recognize. Still I told myself we'd make it, even while watching us die inside. I ignored every warning sign, every silence, every lie, because losing you completely felt worse than losing myself slowly. I stayed even when it hurt me, even when your love stopped reaching. Every night became exhausting, every moment left me breaking. You were fading right beside me, while I begged your heart to find me. And the hardest thing to admit, I stayed even when it hurt me. I felt it, still stay. Through the pain, we stopped talking like we meant it, stopped dreaming side by side. Now every room feels unfamiliar, even with you here tonight. I kept searching for the old us inside your distant tired stare, but every time I reached to hold you, I felt less of you there. And maybe deep inside I knew there was nothing left to hold on to, but fear of being left alone kept me standing in a broken home. I stayed even when it hurt me, even when your love stopped reaching. Every night became exhausting, every moment left me breaking. You were fading right beside me, while I begged your heart to find me. And the hardest thing to admit, I stayed even when it hurt me. How do you walk away from someone you still love with all you have? How do you stop